was ready. There was a boy with a great opinion after opinion.
Hello friends, it's Andrew Pinion. We're on the fast move here. It's actually sprinkling outside, but I won't let that stop me from my Wendy's journey. My last burger review of Wendy's for a while at least. It's their promotional item, the pub, their double pretzel, their pretzel bacon pub burger, and I got the double. There's no pretzel bun. Okay, well, it's the same burger, the same quarter-pound square, fresh, well-done patty that they all have. So I'll be not reviewing the patties per se, but the buns, the toppings, the sauce. So let's take a look-see at least. Some kind of fries on there, I guess, and bacon and pickles and some of the pub sauce they have. And it looks a tantalizing situation. I wish I could have tried the pretzel bun, but you know, humans make mistakes, not angels. The patties are definitely, you know, up to par. Juicy. Wonderful. The other stuff, the pub stuff, fries, it's okay. I'm not getting married to it. It's good, but I'd rather get a Baconator. I'd rather get just a Dave's Double. The pub stuff, okay. You get the additional step 2 out of 4. It's okay. Nothing to realign yourself with, per se. Nothing to quit your day job over. Cheesy and like some kind of sauce, not much to it. I would be intrigued to try the pretzel bun, which I see that you could get with a just regular burger. Maybe try a pretzel bun with the Baconator or Dave's Double. That I would like to try at some point. The pub sauce and all that, it's okay. When you're eating Wendy's outside in the rain, it really makes you think about your life. I probably won't get that again. I don't think I'll get the pub burger again. Let's try their pub fries, see if we have any better luck. This looks kind of like Baconator fries, really. It looks like Baconator fries, but maybe just a different, the addition of some kind of white cheese that whatever that is. I have no idea. One hand on umbrella, one hand on fries. Okay. It's got that pub sauce underneath. That's what's different. A lot of bacon, a lot of cheese. I like that. These are good. You get them without this added like pub sauce. It tastes the cheese from this onto the Baconator fries without the pub sauce. That's what I like. Pub sauce, it's fine with the cheese. It's good, but I don't need it. It's nothing like I'm aching for. But the gooiness of the cheese on top of the bacon, like Baconator fries, it's very good. But I think I actually like the cheese on top of this even better than Baconator fries. I'm gonna give these a 3. They're good. Preventing it from being a 3.5 like the Baconator fries. The sauce underneath is good. It's not my favorite. And the Baconator fries, just the cheese and bacon. It just is all you need. Well, on that note, stay out of the rain.